Some of the transactions I gave to you. Read first one. Started business with
cash 30,000.
Date
May 1st.
May 1st. May 1st. Started business with cash. Started business with cash. What is the entry for the transaction?
Cash account data to capital account.
Data to capital account as usual. Regular entry. Amount please.
30,000.
30,000. Here is some of the trade transactions. You have to understand what is cash transaction and what is trade transaction. Already you did cash transactions. Today we are going to discuss trade transactions. What is the trade transactions? Which transaction is related to persons? Which transaction is along with the persons? The transaction is generally called as credit transaction. Here, third one.
Purchased goods from Murthy.
Date 3. Purchased goods from Murthy. Generally, cash purchases purchase account data to cash. But here we purchased goods from Murthy. We purchased goods from Murthy. We purchase. Why Murthy's name is given in this transaction? That means we purchased goods from Murthy on the basis of credit. That means we are not paying money to the Murthy. We purchased goods without paying any amount from Murthy. That is why the transaction is called credit transaction. Purchase account data to Murthy account. In the place of cash, we have to write Murthy's name. Purchase account data to Murthy account. Amount please.
10,000.
Next, fifth.
Purchased furniture from Kirti.
Purchased furniture from
Kirti.
Purchased furniture from Kirti. We purchased an asset, that is furniture. Debit what comes in, that is why furniture account is to be debit. Next, what is credit? Purchased furniture from Kirti to Kirti. This is credit transaction. We purchased furniture from Kirti. What is the amount?
5,000.
5,000. Next, what is next one?
Purchased computer from Sahiti.
Purchased computer from Sahiti. Here is also same. Previous transaction is purchased furniture from Kirti. Now transaction is purchased computer from Sahiti. Computer account data to Sahiti account. Computer account data to Sahiti account. Amount 10,000. Next, what is next?
Sold goods to Sweta.
Sold goods to Sweta. We sold goods to Sweta. Why Sweta name is given in this transaction? Why Sweta name is given in this transaction? That means we sold goods to our customer Sweta on the basis of credit. That is why. What is the entry here?
Sweta account data to
Sweta account data to
sales account.
Amount please.
20,000.
20,000. Next, 11th one. What is
Purchased stationery from convent stores.
Khan and Co. Khan and stores. Purchased stationery. Stationery means stationery account data. Stationery account data. This stationery is bought from Khan and stores. Khan and stores. How much that is? 2000. What is next one?
Goods
used for personal. Any of the used from our business organization by the trader, that is called drawings. But here he has to use goods from our business. That is why what is the entry? Drawings account data to purchases account. Drawings account data to goods account. Actually, that goods is called as purchases. What is the amount?
20,000. 20.
Next 15.
Sold furniture to Anand.
Sold furniture to Anand. We sold furniture. We sold furniture to Anand. Why the Anand name is given in this transaction? Credit. Why the Anand name is given in this transaction means given for Anand is credit. Anand account data. Anand account data to furniture. Yes, furniture. Here is don't write sales in this transaction. We sold furniture. Asset is sold to Anand. That is why what is the entry here? Anand account data to furniture account. Amount is after that 17.
Bought goods from Shravan.
Bought goods means purchased goods. Bought goods is bought goods means purchased goods. Purchases account data. Goods purchased. Purchased account data to who is?
Shravan.
Who is that person? Shravan. Bought goods from Shravan. Why this Shravan's name is given in this transaction? Credit. Ante kada. What purchase account data to Shravan. Amount please? 5,000. Next 19. Cash deposit into bank. General transaction. Cash is going out. Who is receiving the cash? Bank is receiving the cash. That is why bank account data to cash. Amount is 6,000. Okay. Next, write down next entries. Emma?
Paid to Arvind.
Paid to Arvind. Paid to Arvind. What is the entry? Date is 21. Arvind account data to
Cash.
ante kada. Who is the receiver?
Arvind.
Arvind is receiver. Arvind account data to cash 4,000. 23rd interest
Received commission from Sudha.
interest received from Sudha. What is the transaction proper? You have to read properly the transaction. What is 23rd?
Received commission from Sudha.
Received commission from Sudha. This is the transaction. Commission received. Cash account data to commission account. But here Sudha name is given along with the transaction. But you have to remind once again, at any cost, at the time of writing of nominal account entries, you should not write the person name. You should not write the person name. Here cash account data to commission account. No need to write person name in the nominal accounts. Nominal accounts low, person name is not necessary to write. What is the amount?
6,000.
6,000. Next 25th.
Interest paid to Arvind.
Interest account data to Aravinda. Huh? Huh? No need to write person name. Already I told you.
Yes,
So many times I told you. at the time of writing of nominal account entries, you should not write the person name. Here, interest paid to Aravind. Interest paid is the transaction. Here is not necessary to write Arvind's name. Aravind is not necessary to us at the time of nominal account entries. Don't write any person name. Interest paid. Interest paid to Aravind means interest paid. Interest account data to
Cash
cash account. Tell me.
3,000.